The FveBzem nonstick frying pan round egg is like a loyal friend in your kitchen. It is small and round, just right for cooking one egg. This little pan helps you make perfect eggs every time. The nonstick surface is a dream because eggs slide right out. Cleaning is also very easy, like rinsing a plate in the sink. You will find that this FveBzem nonstick frying pan round egg becomes your go-to for breakfast. This small egg skillet is not just for eggs. You can also use it to make tiny pancakes or a small omelet. The 4.72-inch size is perfect for single servings. It heats up quickly and evenly, so your food cooks just right. Plus, the FveBzem nonstick frying pan round egg is PFOA free. This means it's made without harmful chemicals, which is good for you and us. It is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup even simpler at the end of the day. If you want a reliable pan for your daily egg, this is it. The FveBzem nonstick frying pan round egg is built to last. It feels sturdy, and the nonstick coating holds up well. While it may not handle a large family breakfast, it shines for individual cooking. Think of it as your personal egg chef, always ready to deliver a perfect single egg. It's a great addition to any kitchen, especially if you often cook for just 1 or 2 people. Pros: dishwasher safe, PFOA free, small size, heats evenly, good for 1 egg, comfort grip handle, curved side, versatile use. Cons: needs lots of spray, small cooking area, handle might get hot, only good for 1 egg, might not last long, uneven heating possible, could be hard to flip, might be too small. Features: nonstick, round shape, egg pan, 1 egg size, pancake maker, omelet pan, mini size. Dishwasher safe, small skillet, PFOA free. This is a small, round pan made for cooking 1 egg. It has a non-stick surface, so food will not stick. You can use it to make eggs, pancakes, or omelets. It is a mini size and is safe to wash in the dishwasher. The pan is also PFOA free. This small, 4.72-inch FveBzem nonstick frying pan is designed for cooking a single egg and is dishwasher safe and PFOA free. It heats evenly and has a comfort grip and curved side, making it versatile for small cooking tasks. However, it has a small cooking area and may require a lot of cooking spray to maintain its nonstick properties. The handle might get hot, and it's only suitable for 1 egg at a time, with potential concerns about its long-term durability and even heating. And it might be hard to flip food due to its size.